how to get Microsoft rewards points fast. Now, to do this method, we need to download an extension to it. So just pull up your preferred web browser and then head to Chrome Web Store. Now, once you're on the Chrome Web Store site, all you just have to do is to download this extension, Rewards Search Automator. Search that here on the search box, and then click on the first one, Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and then once the extension is added, you'll just have to pin that extension here, just pressing on the puzzle icon extensions, and then head to Reward Search Automator and pin it. Now once everything is set up, let's go ahead to Microsoft Rewards. Now for you to be able to go to this page, just simply make a new tab and type in Microsoft Rewards. From here, just press on the first link and then access the app by signing in using your current Microsoft account. Now once you logged in, this will be your interface. All you have to do here is just press on points breakdown and click PC search. Now once you click PC search, this will be the time that we will activate the extension that we just downloaded earlier. To activate that, just press on the extension that you downloaded and then click agree, then wait for it to load here. So what you need to do here is just to change the mobile to 0, because we're not using any mobile here. And then the max delay to 20. So just press search start. As what you can see, the extension is automatically doing the process for you. So this is how you accumulate Microsoft Rewards points without doing anything. As you can see, if you go back to Microsoft Rewards, it's accumulating points automatically. So that's how you get Microsoft Rewards points fast.